Hey guys, it's Eric from Florida Structural Group. Today we're on Fort Myers Beach at Island Winds Condominium. Just started a big restoration project where we're taking out the screen enclosures, grinding down the lanais, and looking for any concrete repairs. Also, we'll be doing a little waterproofing and painting. Currently today we're working on taking out the screen enclosures, and we're starting the grinding and chipping process. Check back for more updates next time. Thanks.